What are the advantages of RAG over other NLP techniques? Answer: RAG retrieval augmented generation has several advantages over other NLP techniques. One of the primary benefits is its ability to provide higher accuracy in its responses. This is because RAG relies on external data retrieval, which ensures that the information it generates is grounded in factual information. This is particularly important in domains where accuracy is crucial, such as in fields like medicine or finance. Another advantage of RAG is its improved context awareness. By incorporating relevant data from external sources, RAG can generate responses that are more nuanced and better suited to the specific context in which they are being used. This is in contrast to other NLP techniques, which may rely solely on internal knowledge or training data and may not be able to adapt as well to changing contexts. RAG is also highly flexible, allowing it to be used across a wide range of domains and applications. This is because it can be easily adapted to different tasks and datasets and can be fine-tuned for specific use cases. Additionally, RAG ability to incorporate external data makes it well suited for tasks that require a broad range of knowledge, such as answering complex questions or generating long-form content. Finally, RAG has the advantage of bias mitigation. By prioritizing reliable data sources and reducing the spread of biased or incorrect information, RAG can help to ensure that its responses are fair and unbiased. This is particularly important in domains where fairness and accuracy are critical, such as in fields like law or social justice.